Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the annoying stitch. So I don't know what the original name of this stitch was, but somebody christened it the annoying stitch because the way you make it can really irritate you. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in any multiple of stitches.
So to start the annoying stitch, we're going to be making a double crochet in the third chain from our hook. And this double crochet counts as your first stitch of the row, so I'm just going to pop a stitch marker in there. And next we're going to make an annoying stitch, so you'll see why it's got that name. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so you leave 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So you've got 4 loops on your hook, and this is the annoying bit. You're going to make a slip stitch through the last 3 loops. So I find it helps if you pull this part down and then hook through all 3 loops, and that's the annoying stitch. And it's because you've got a slip stitch through 3 loops. Okay, and we're just going to make an annoying stitch in every stitch across until we get to our last chain. So yarn over, into the next stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, hook back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now we're going to slip stitch through these 3 chains. So I find just pull that bit down and it really helps get through those loops. And there we go, and we're going to repeat that across the row. So having these slip stitches and making it awkward to pull through all 3 of those loops does mean this is a very slow stitch to make, and it's very easy to get your hook caught in one of those loops somewhere and have to start again. So, but pulling that bottom bit down as you come through really does help. So yarn over, into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now just grab hold of that bit there and slip stitch through all 3 loops. So when you get to your last stitch of the row, you're going to make a double crochet. And there's the annoying stitch. So it does make it a very thick stitch. And it is quite pretty really, but very slow to make. Okay, so row 2, going to turn, chain 1, make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Okay, so that's your first stitch of the row. Just pop a stitch marker in, and then we make an annoying stitch in each stitch across. Yarn over, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so you've got 2 loops left on your hook, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, then just grab hold of those loops and slip stitch through the 3. And you just repeat that in every stitch across. So you do get the hang of it, but I certainly wouldn't be making this stitch for anything large. You wouldn't want to be making too many rows of this. Well, maybe you do, maybe you like the challenge. Okay, so it's just an annoying stitch in every stitch across until you get to your last stitch of the row. And then last stitch, make a double crochet and that's your annoying stitch. And there it is on both sides. So you get this lovely kind of long loop coming across the front. So to carry on with the annoying stitch, you just repeat row 2.
There is your stitch guide on how to crochet the annoying stitch. So I would love to know if you think this stitch lives up to its name. Please do come and tell us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.